Here's an interior tour of the 1959 Airstream that we recently brought back to the shop. And this trailer is undergoing partial restoration work. We're going to make sure that it is super functional and safe. We're going to expose the framework, replace the flooring, rewire, insulate, and then use as much of the original cabinetry as we can, putting everything back the way that it was originally, with the exception of a missing cabinet here, which will house a refrigerator. We'll probably rebuild this front booth to just be a little bit more functional, provide additional seating, sleeping, but also kind of fill this gap here. And as we move back, we're going to have a new mattress, and the bathroom is going to be updated. I don't think I really noticed the finish on this tub before, but it's looking a little rough. So yeah, new toilet, repair the flooring, add a black water holding tank. And as you look around, you'll see that the cabinetry has been painted, but some of it is a little bit rough. So again, we'll make repairs and modifications as the budget allows. Quick view of the inside of this cabinet. Not exactly sure how this cabinetry is going to come out and what kind of condition it's going to be in when we go to reinstall it. So those are all things that need to be carefully considered. All right, so stay tuned to see more. Well, that was fun, but here we are a year later, and as you will see, we were unable to salvage the original cabinetry. Happily, this gave us the opportunity to do a really beautiful build while keeping the same original layout. Our client chose to go with this beautiful ribbon cut sapele for the new interior cabinetry. The kitchen is now well equipped with this large 3-way fridge, new Marmoleum countertops, a stainless sink and faucet, a 2-burner cooktop, and space for a microwave oven below. There's an incredible amount of storage in this trailer, including this new bank of drawers, storage in the bed platform, the double closet, and dresser beyond. We built a shelf above the dresser, rebuilt the original shelf and light fixture above the bed, and added an upholstered headboard. In the bathroom, we installed a new toilet, new holding tanks, a new sink, and rerouted the vent pipes so they are no longer coming through the countertop. The tub was repainted and new fixtures were installed. What a difference that new bathroom made. In addition to new wiring and insulation, you may have noticed that we also replaced all of the interior aluminum skin and repainted. We really hope you enjoyed getting to see this 1959 Airstream interior transformation. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to this channel to see more and leave any comments below.